The soap opera surrounding City Councillor Jim Karygiannis and his expenses from the last election continues. Just 1 week after being reinstated by the courts, an appeal has been launched saying a judge didn't have the right to give him his seat back. Adam Shaliff isn't about to give up his fight, especially when he thinks something's up at City Hall. That's why he wants to go to court as a Toronto voter and challenge Councillor Jim Karygiannis again. Why do this?
So we think that there were errors that the judge made in his decision, and so the proper place to air those is at the Ontario Court of Appeal.
Early last week, Karygiannis returned to City Council after being ousted for overspending on his 2018 election campaign. A Superior Court judge gave him the benefit of the doubt and ruled he'd get his seat back. Paperwork submitted to the city clerk's office said that he had spent $27,000 over the limit on a fundraising event after being elected. He was automatically ejected based on the Municipal Elections Act.
We don't believe that the Ontario Superior Court had the jurisdiction to even make the decision that they did.
Why is that?
It gets a little bit into the weeds, but in a nutshell, we don't believe that the Justice Chalmers' decision was correct because he shouldn't have been able to completely overrule the Ontario legislature representing all the people of Ontario.
When reached by phone today, Karygiannis didn't have much to say about the appeal.
This matter is in front of the courts. I've been advised by my legal team that we'll take the necessary steps, and I'm going to leave it at that.
Those following closely say public opinion may be split, but there isn't much fuss on the council floor.
Look, a lot of people don't care for Karygiannis. There's just no doubt about it. But is there anybody on City Council that thinks he ought not to be sitting on council?
All the while, a compliance audit is still set to take place at City Hall to determine what led to the faulty paperwork in the first place, leaving Shaliff ready for a few more rounds.
I believe that Jim Karygiannis should not be a city councillor and that he should forfeit his office as the law requires.
The appeal process can actually be a lengthy one, so it's not expected that anything will happen for a number of months. Meanwhile, the audit process here at City Hall continues, and Councillor Jim Karygiannis will continue to represent his constituents in Scarborough Agent Court.